All right, so for this one here, I'm going to look at this. I want to make sure I look and see what it's talking about mapping. It gives me the coordinates, but there's a graph there, so I don't really need to look at the coordinates that closely. I am going to take these letters, A, B, C, and D, E, F, and then I'm going to color code them. So I'm going to make A and D, so D and A yellow. I'm going to make B and E blue, and I'm going to make C and F pink. And that kind of tells me if they stayed in the same location, then it same order basically. So if blue's on the top and then yellow and then pink, I can tell that it just slid or something simple happened to it. This you can see the blue is at the top, now it's at the bottom. The D kind of switched from the left to the right, and the C and the F switched from the left to the right too. So it is likely that this thing rotated. All right. It also definitely got bigger, okay, because it started here at the smaller one and it got bigger. So dilation definitely happened someplace. All right. And it's also got to be a dilation of larger than one, okay, because it got bigger. If I start looking down through here, dilation scale factor of 1/2, there's no way it's that one. Dilation of scale factor of 1/2, it's no way it's that one. All right. So dilation of scale factor 2 and then a rotation of 180, or just a dilation of scale factor 2 centered at point A. Okay. So now this is a little complicated here. I'm going to go for this one just because the other one I don't completely understand if I'm most people. All right, but let's look and see what happened. So A got twice as big if you look at the points here. All right, it was negative 2, 0. Now it's 4, 0. If I doubled it, it'd be negative 4, 0. If I doubled this, it'd be 4, negative 8, which is pretty close to what that is. And if I doubled C, it would be 8, 4. Okay, and again, pretty close. Then the rotation happened. All right, then this thing spun around halfway. All right, so the A ended up over here at D. Okay, and C ended up over there at F, and then B ended up here like that. So the rotation of 180 degrees and a dilation of 2. Okay, if it was dilations of scale factor 2 centered at point A wouldn't have moved. All right, and that's kind of a difficult concept, but if you start at a point and that's your center point of your dilation, that point won't move. So if A is the center, A would have to stay there, which means that it would not have spun around like it did, which would have caused a problem.